Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the sound. Then let's tap on the ringtone, and here we've got the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option, the silent one, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, in this plus icon, we've got our own files, for example downloaded or recorded, and we can choose them and select them as a ringtone. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and I'll pick maybe this one. And why we cannot hear it? Alright. And as you can see, this is how it works. So just tap on the option and then listen to it. So let's pretend I want this option to be set. So all I have to do is to make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.